वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर ले।
Words you must know through from one end. Surprise, an unexpected event. Happens, an event, discover by chance. Often, many times, frequently resemble, look like someone. Features a typical quality. Spectacles, anything exciting to watch. Fond, liking a person or things. Childhood, that times when you are a child. Footstep, a way of life, to track. Relief, the removal of worry. Fear, to be afraid to somebody or something. Journey, traveling one place to another. Goldsmith, someone who makes objects from gold. Twins, children born to one mother at the same time. Society, organization of people. Feeds, to give food to a person or animal. Define these important terms from this lesson. Identical twins, the children born to one mother at the same time and look exactly alike. They are known as identical twins. Sibling rivalry is a competition, jealousy and fighting between brother and sisters. Brother and sister often quarrel with each other. Astronaut, an astronaut is a person who travels in spacecraft or space. Fraternal twins are twins who don't look exactly the same, but as fraternal twins they are close, but different. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The twins who looked same are A. Identical twins. B. Non-identical twins. C. Fraternal twins. Answer: identical twins. 2. Family members can have similarity in A. Eating habits. B. Voices. C. Both. Answer: both eating habits and voices. 3. Sunita Williams is a famous A. Sportsperson. B. Astronauts. C. Singer. Ants. Astronauts. 4. A famous personality who has followed the footsteps of his parents. A. Sachin Tendulkar. B. Milkha Singh. C. Rohan Gavaskar. Answer: Rohan Gavaskar. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Members of a family often each other. Answer: resemble. 2. Many twins look, but some twins look exactly alike. Answer: different. 3. The of one family members affect the other members. Answer: action. 4. Many children resemble their uncle, aunt and cousins. Answer: grandparents. 5. In some families the food habits of the members may be Answer: similar. C. True or false for the statements given below. 1. Identical twins look different. False. 2. All family members have similar voice. False. 3. If parents are tall, their child is born to be tall. False 4. The likes and dislikes of family members are never similar. False. D. Answer these questions. Question point 1. List 3 ways in which the family members can resemble one another. Answer. 3 ways in which the family members resemble each others are A. They have same color of skin. B. They have same shape of their nose, eyes and forehead. C. They walk and talk like each other. Question point 2. In what ways are you similar to your family member? Answer. I similar with my mother, father, because I exactly look like him, her. Question point 3. What confusion can be created if the twins are identical? Answer. If the twins are identical, it is difficult to tell who is who. And it creates so much confusion in life. Question point 4. Do you want to follow the occupation of your parents? Why? Answer. No, I don't want to follow the occupation of my parents, because I want to be a doctor and serve the nation. Question point 5. How do family members share their joy together? Explain with an example. Answer. Members of a family may arrive together or not, but they all share their joy and sorrows. Example. When Sunita Williams ended her space journey in United States, her family members could not stop their tears of joy because she has landed safely. They all enjoy with bursting crackers and beating drums. Value-based questions. Question point 1. Do you have arguments with your brothers and sisters? Answer. Yes, I have arguments with my brothers and sisters. Question point 2. List 2 issues on which you have disagreement with your siblings, cousins. Answer point 2. 2 issues on which I have disagreement with my siblings and cousins are 1. What channel you watched? 2. Whose turn it was to use the computer? 3. Who would eat the last cookies? 4. When someone borrowed clothes without asking. Question point 3. How do you solve your problems with your siblings? Answer point 3. I solve my problem with A. I will sharing my things. B. I compromise with my siblings. Question point 4. How do your parents guide you to know the problems? Answer point 4. My parents guide me to A. Make harmonious relation with forgive and forget. B. They teach us how to sharing make us happy. C. They help us to understand the family values. Question point 5. Mention the qualities that are needed to make the good relations with others. Answer point 5. The qualities which are needed to make good relationship with others are: A. Treat all members with respect. B. Help each other and spend quality time together. C. Sharing our things with each other. D. Forgive and forget.
अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और अधिक से अधिक स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स को शेयर करें। बेल आइकन को जरूर से प्रेस करें ताकि जैसे ही कोई नया एजुकेशनल वीडियो आए तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। थैंक यू।